was lack of money. He's invulnerable to predators. He's got no green lantern. Maybe he's bill-credit. He's lowest loan.
Well-crafted.
And maybe he's too for his last use of big floor. Sure, just tell more and you have the other trip. He's like a district attorney. With lack of truth, I'll break under the cross. I actually have to do it. Could you move over there? Hey, Mr. Secretary of Work, it always had a crush on you. Really? How come you never pursued it before? Sure. Ooh, look at this. It's like a carrot. You run out of check, you got in a single bounce. There's a giant carrot in the hallway. Yes. Who are you that you hated us? Anyway, I told him it'd be fine with us if he wanted to let it stretch his wings on me. What'd you tell him that for? Because since you've been playing God at the front door, I've been trying to smooth things out, Sheriff. In fact, I was just hanging out with the place. Really? What's it like? Is it nice and mine? Where does he have the cat? Well, I don't know, but the key problem is solved. I heard it first. Who left you? No, he doesn't know. See, I hid it without telling him. So, Phil won't be compulsively looking for that something. You're doing city and music?
I was in Maine for a couple days.
Well, yeah. Yes.
I've always fantasized about jumping in bed with you.
Ow!
What? I don't want to spoil things by sleeping with you too soon.
Are you sure? Because it could really help me out of a dream.
I want to build something with you, George.
Oh, not no burden.
And I won't take no for an answer.
No?
No. What are we doing in this alley anyway? What are you doing? What is that?
Just gotta get there.
Garbage.
Yeah, I'm gonna make the new one feel like it's come out. Right here.
Oh, that's it. How do you say your thing?
It's a platform. You have no idea how rare this is?
I'll make it up from there. What's new about you think these?
You know, you're the bird ball. And it's always bad in my house.